Today's 2023 Nerf toy hunt of the year. There's not much. Sold out a whole bunch of stuff. Got this Elite 2.0, this Ranger 2.0, face-off target set. Got this Forerunner. And you have this Pathfinder. These things shoot the balls. You got your Dino Squads here. It's on sale, $20, right? Little dragon-looking dragons and Dungeons and Dragons. Okay, they got a license for that, huh? Dungeons and Dragons. Fortnite Impulse. This looks new. Is this for like little kids? Oh, easy play. So this is a Elite Junior voice organization. When my kid was like 4, I probably was looking for something like this because he had trouble priming or pumping some of the weapons. It was just too hard for him, his small hands. So I mean, I'm guessing they made it easier for the little ones to pump the weapon, you know? The easy pullback, easy front load, aimer. That's pretty cool. I wish they did this like years ago, when he was younger. But cool, good idea. Whoever came up with that. Here's a smaller version. This part must be easy. Oh yeah, this is so easy. I can do it with one hand. Right? Yeah, I can do it like one hand. So, little kid, 2 hands maybe. Hey, little kid, 1 hand. They can do that. Yeah, dude. They should. Whoever executive at Nerf came up with this idea, or whoever. Good job, dude. You earn your money. You're getting a bonus this year. Yeah? Fortnite. Here's a ninja style Roblox. Mega Moho Strike Mega Nerf Dart. I've not seen this one. This is a Fortnite Flintlock. And what's LP? What kind of pistol is LP? Light pistol? Dual pack. Ooh, hammer action. Cool. I like the flintlock. Some gel blasters. Walking Dead. These are like not Nerfs. This is X-Shot FaZe Clan. That's their deal, their collab. I kind of like this Zero X-Shot skinned one since America. Game Over. What is this? Is this FaZe? Yeah, it must be FaZe, right? FaZe Clan style. FaZe skin. America! It's a drum here. Pretty cool. And there's a new Nerf over here. They brought out some Nerf stuff. Yeah, here with the balls, I guess? Gel, yeah, gel. Hydrax. And this is this is not Nerf, this is something else. This is Nerf. And we have some kind of splatter ball. I wonder how much pollution this causes. Oh, here's another Dungeons and Dragons. Little one of these guys. Look at these tiny splatter balls. Oh, I just put this in water, huh? I wonder if this is gonna end up in the ocean somehow. In the soil. Cool. And then, oh, look at this though. A Batmobile. This is kind of cool. Tuned Batmobile. There's no new Disney cars. Alright, that's it. That's it for the Nerf Blaster toy hunt of the day. See y'all later. Bye. And there's another Dungeons and Dragons right here. This
it looks like the weapon that we made, me and Jay.
Might be like $25, I'm not sure. Yeah, let me just do a screenshot of this one. Here. Dungeons and Dragons.